So psoriatic flakes don't respond to your care.
Shampoos
Yes,
and
you
hair
have to
products.
you have to have medicines for that, so that you can limit the problem. Because psoriasis, if it gets to the other parts of the body, then it becomes very cumbersome. It can go to a very large extent. Hmm? Of course, tendencies are different. Some people only have the scalp psoriasis. It never goes to the,
Yeah, I was coming to this.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not that all cases will go to an full blown picture. It
Yeah.
all depends upon your susceptibility and your, vulnerability to the problem. And that is also
So it
genetically
can have
defined.
limited impact on your body. Like if you
Yes.
have a psoriasis, it can be limited in one
Yes,
area and
one
not
area, yeah, yeah,
goes
yeah,
in
yeah. So
everywhere.
psoriasis is known to have its own period of, say, aggravation, and then it gets into remission. Two things we need to, talk about. What are the causative factor for psoriasis? First is the genetic makeup, like, if you're genetically, and second is the climatic change. Hmm? And
Hmm.
also stress. These things. Stress is something which is unavoidable.
That's
That is what
right.
psoriasis problem, we find it very sometimes difficult to manage. Why? Because these are the things like everybody's life is full of ups and downs, and we are working upon it to solve the problems. And climatic change ka kya kar loge aap? We are living in. So these are the two, so if you are aware about it, you can be cool about it. Why? Because the anxiety people have when it gets its flared up, it's immense. Hmm?
True.
Then they get to allopathy, suppress it for a while. It's okay, meaning for a while it's okay, fine. So we also get some window period to work upon it. Hmm? So it's not allopathy, homeopathy wala, it is the management of the case. That's very important to understand.
Okay.
Long run, holistic approach is good. For a short while, cream or something which is soothing it, it's okay, but not long run. You can't keep applying creams and expect that the psoriatic problem will get cured. No, it
Hmm.
will not.